Good morning, students. Welcome to the computer class of 3rd standard. In the previous session, I have discussed the topic how to select the text using different keyboard shortcuts. I hope you have done practice of these keyboard shortcuts at your home also. Today, we are going to discuss the further next 3 keys of lesson number 3, word processor and introduction. We are going to discuss the 3 keyboard shortcut keys to select the text in different ways. First one is Shift plus End. Using this key combination, you can select a line till end. Next is Shift plus Home. It will select a line till beginning. The word beginning means to the starting of the line. Last keyboard shortcut is Ctrl plus A. Using this key combination, you can select the entire document. Entire means full. So let's start with the topic and open Microsoft Word 2010. First step is click on Start button, click on All Programs, click on Microsoft Office and click on Microsoft Word 2010. The Microsoft Word window is open. First keyboard shortcut is Shift plus End. Here I have typed 4 lines in my document. Now I am going to select these 4 lines one by one using Shift plus End key. Firstly, place the cursor at the starting position of the first line. After that, hold down the Shift key from the keyboard and then press End key. You will see first line is selected. In the similar way, I am going to select the second line using the same keyboard shortcut. First of all, place the cursor at the starting position of the second line. After that, hold down the Shift key from the keyboard and then press End key. Students, you can see the second line is also selected. Next keyboard shortcut is Shift plus Home. Now, using Shift plus Home key, I am going to select a line till the beginning. For this, place your cursor at the end of the line. After that, hold down the Shift key from the keyboard and then press Home key from the keyboard and you will see the line is selected. In similar way, you can select the all lines using Shift plus Home key. Next keyboard shortcut is Ctrl plus A. Using Ctrl plus A keyboard shortcut, we can select the full document at once. For this, place your cursor anywhere in the document. Hold down the Ctrl key from the keyboard and then press letter A from the keyboard. And you will notice the full document is selected at once. So children, in this way, you can use these keyboard shortcuts to select your document. So students, using these keyboard shortcuts, you can select your text in different ways. I hope you all have understood the topic. Do practice of these keyboard shortcuts at your home also. I will discuss the further topics in next session. Thank you and have a nice day.